Yeah, we got Inflator and impact wrench deal. Big shout out to Capone at Daily Dose of Tools Facebook group. So big shout out to them. And then we have, yeah, it is a socket, so it does include some sockets. And let's go over here. M12 12-volt lithium cordless 3/8 impact wrench with an inflator combo kit with 3/8 drive metric socket set. I do apologize for the sound. There's a few dogs barking in the back. 149, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section. This is actually a pretty good deal. We've seen this inflator around 100 bucks. So you're basically paying 50 bucks for the impact wrench and the socket set, which is a good deal for that. It's a good deal. Like I said, all of you guys, the link down below in the description section of this video. And it does come with, it looks like a pouch for the socket set, so that's pretty nice. And then the inflator by itself, and then you got the impact wrench there. So pretty nice little kit. And you know, these sockets are square, by the way, so that's pretty good deal on that. So and then you got the, you know, the flexible or the different angle ratchet there. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. And big shout out to Capone at Daily Dose of Tools, Deal Team 6. We'll see you guys on the next one.